I just want to talk a little bit about the snout to tail philosophy, and just expand a little bit about what I wrote in the book. I think I cover most of what I want to say in the book, but I just want to really just delve a little bit deeper into what it really is. And again, it's I explained to you guys, when I was young, I used to travel up to our farm in Zimbabwe, and we would, at least once a year, I used to love it. We used to slaughter a cow, and then the whole family would come together, and we would work that cow and break it down into different cuts, and it would be shared out between the family. And it always struck me that we literally used just about everything we could. Obviously, that was on a farm, so there were no regulations, and it was just within personal consumption. Nothing was being sold to anybody. And so in different parts of the world, it may vary what you are able to purchase or what you may not purchase. Again, the philosophy of snout to tail really boils down to trying to use the entire beast, literally from snout to tail. And I give an apt example of that in the book, where families would come together, or villages would come together once a year, and they would slaughter the animals, and then they would work those animals, and the various different stages of what they do with the blood, and the brains and the head and the spleen and the lungs and all that. Everything got used. When you're buying meat in a butcher, you're not going to buy the lungs, or you're not going to buy the spleen or the liver, or necessarily, or the kidneys or anything like that. So it's not really necessary that you heed to that, but just pay cognizance to it. Respect the beast. It has, I know this is going to sound a bit tree huggish, but it has lived a life to provide for you. So respect the meat. And I mean, personally, I just like the idea of using every little morsel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my YouTube channel.